What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're starting the day at our Duchess yard. I just connected this trailer and dropped it to the ground. I have to walk up to our garage up there and grab one of our Toolcats. I also need to grab a chain. We are going to that remodel addition job that we've been working on for the past few months, and the homeowner has to replace his fence because the old one didn't pass code or something like that. And he took care of taking down pretty much all the fence, but the posts are in concrete footings and he had no way of getting them out. So we are grabbing the Toolcat. We're gonna wrap a chain around them and just pop them out real quick. But I have to get it on the trailer and get over there. I really hate walking up this hill. I used to do this as a kid all the time, but it is not fun. Gotta move this one. This is our new one. I'm gonna take our old one. Guess my dad was doing some yard work. He's got a mask in here, probably weed whacking. Get in this garage. Hopefully it's in there. Hopefully I didn't just block it. Let's see. I think I blocked it. Oh, nope, it's behind the lawnmower. All right, I'm gonna move this. Oh, wrong code. All right, guys, so it is actually about 2 o'clock in the afternoon now. We just finished up lunch, but as you can see over here, there's a few posts that all need to come out. The homeowner took the fence down and stacked it over here, but he was gonna pull his truck back in here and put a rope to them, but it's much easier for us to do it with this Toolcat here, so I'm gonna hook a chain around one of these right to the machine and see how it comes out, and then if it works nice and easy, we will go ahead and do the rest. Well, that was about as easy as it could get. It came out nice and clean. You have a perfect hole there pretty much. We'll probably have to put a piece of plywood or a board over them so nobody rolls their ankle and falls in there and trips or anything. But came out pretty much perfect. So I'm gonna set this up on a time lapse and get the rest of them out of here. All right guys, I just threw the Toolcat back on the trailer, got it all strapped down. We put all of these posts here, there are 9 of them, right next to the fence that the homeowner pulled off. So eventually those will get out of here. We have garbage in our dump truck right now, so we can't mix. We could cut the posts and throw the wood in, but we can't mix the concrete with the garbage. The dump separates them. I think pretty much anywhere you go, they will separate concrete and garbage and blacktop and whatever. But these came out pretty easy. The only one that gave us a little bit of a struggle was this one back here by the tree. I think the roots might have been hugging it a little bit, and it just had a little bit more pressure than the rest of them, but they all came out fairly easy. There are a couple holes that we have to fill, and I think they are putting a new fence here because there was something about it not being up to code, and that's why it had to come out and be replaced. It was a very old fence, but I don't know too much about that. I am about to go hop in my truck and get this Toolcat drop back off at our yard, and tomorrow we'll be here again, and I have a very big update on the inside. We have a lot more done in there than last time we were working inside here, so that'll be in tomorrow's video. But this one is going to get wrapped up right here. So if you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Either way, hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.